had Ann as a student at the University of Chicago in the mid-70s. She came to get her master's in social service administration, and I had the pleasure of teaching her. She has such a feel for community and for social work and social welfare.
She just encompasses what I call cultura femenina and mujer completa.
She is someone who's highly respected in the Chicago community, not just in the community where she is known and loved, but by the corporate sector. She has been repeatedly honored for her philanthropic activities. She is constantly mentioned as one of the most influential Latinas in the country.
I think Ann will be remembered as a woman who gave so much to everyone, but as a woman who made a difference.
I think Ann's great contribution is that she is an extremely thoughtful and effective manager. She took over an agency in 1989 that was certainly a wonderful agency with a great deal of vision. Ann really inherited that vision and then I think very effectively grew it.
Ann has created a place where a Latino will feel comfortable being who they are, that they are able to excel, that if you're aging, that's a good thing.
I think what drives her is that she cares profoundly. Casa Central had a wonderful nursing facility. It was the only one in the country at the time. When Ann realized that financially this could not be kept up, the facility was taken over by another nonprofit, but Ann ensured that there were members of the Latino community to stay on the board.
It was very important to Ann. It was very emotional for her. She handled it, though, with such dignity, with such grace, and the way that it was done, we still feel like we still have that home. We embrace it, we are there, we're involved, and I think the way that Ann transitioned that change is what made the difference. I think what I've learned from Ann is that even in the toughest situations, that deep connection to faith and to prayer is very important.
I have learned from Ann that being a very thoughtful listener, learning what the community needs, and then designing the programs to meet those needs. Something that we know theoretically is true, but to watch it in action is really a lesson in itself.
It's not about Ann in Ann's mind, and for her, what guides her is, what was the outcome? How were people left? Are they empowered? Can they do now for themselves? So what guides her is really the mission.
She has achieved a lot, but she has a great deal more to achieve. She has started an endowment for Casa Central. Ann's vision for an endowment will enable that agency to do innovative work. So my guess is her lifetime achievement has yet to come.